Music NATURI specializes in constructing homes using vertical beam construction, a method where wooden beams are installed upright to form the house's walls. This technique offers a range of technical advantages and features that make it an appealing choice for modern construction. The vertical orientation of the beams ensures strength and stability, resisting warping or deformation over time. Homes constructed using this method are energy efficient due to their excellent insulation properties, which help maintain comfortable temperatures in various climates. Additionally, the use of natural wood supports sustainability, minimizing environmental impact while delivering a clean and natural finish. From a design perspective, vertical beam construction offers a clean and modern architectural style that complements the beauty of natural wood. This method allows for flexibility in design, supporting both modern and traditional home styles. Technical specifications often include 6x6 in Douglas fir posts and 6x8 in Douglas fir plate beams, which provide exceptional structural support for long spans. Engineered materials like parallel PSL beams are used to handle heavy loads, enabling open floor plans without the need for additional interior walls. This construction method combines strength with thoughtful design, ensuring homes remain stable and energy efficient for years to come. Natural materials, precision in construction, and insulation performance make vertical beam homes an ideal option for those seeking comfort and environmental responsibility. With its clean lines, strong structural integrity, and modern appeal, vertical beam construction delivers a solution for homeowners who want to invest in a long-lasting, efficient, and timeless living space. This is the world's tallest wooden wind turbine tower developed by MODVION near Skara, Sweden. The tower stands 344 feet tall with a total height of 492 feet when the blades are included. This 2.00 megawatt turbine began supplying electricity to the Swedish grid in 2023, generating power for approximately 400 homes. Made from 144 layers of 0.12 in laminated veneer lumber, or LVL, the tower highlights the strength of engineered wood. Its modular design simplifies transportation and on-site music assembly, addressing the logistical challenges typically associated with steel towers. MODVION uses LVL sourced from renewable forests, significantly reducing the carbon footprint compared to traditional materials. Wooden towers store carbon dioxide for their entire lifespan, making them a carbon-negative solution. By replacing steel, MODVION contributes to lower emissions while meeting the increasing demand for efficient wind energy systems. Founded in 2016, MODVION focuses on enabling the construction of taller wind turbines, which capture stronger, more consistent winds at higher altitudes. Taller turbines improve overall energy efficiency and output, advancing renewable energy technology. The company collaborates with manufacturers and energy providers to accelerate the adoption of wooden turbine towers as a sustainable alternative. With growing interest in renewable energy, MODVION aims to scale up production, establishing a facility capable of producing 100 wooden wind turbines per year by 2027. To us, this innovation demonstrates the potential for sustainable materials to transform renewable energy infrastructure. By rethinking wind tower design, MODVION offers a forward-looking approach that aligns with global goals to reduce carbon emissions and increase the use of renewable energy. FRERES Wood's Mass Ply is a veneer-based engineered wood product designed as an alternative to cross-laminated timber angliulum beams. It is constructed from multiple layers of thin density graded Douglas fir veneers laminated into structural composite lumber lamelas. These lamelas are bonded to form large format panels, beams, and columns for structural applications. Mass music ply panels are ANSI APA PRG 320 certified and come in sizes up to 11 feet 10 in wide, 48 feet long, and thicknesses ranging from 2 to 12 in, making them ideal for floors, roofs, walls, and shear walls. Mass ply lamps designed for beams and columns are available in dimensions up to 24 in wide by 47.5 in deep and lengths up to 48 feet, offering consistent performance for mass timber projects. One of mass ply's key advantages is its efficient use of wood, reducing material needs by 20% compared to traditional cross-laminated timber while delivering the same structural capacity. Its dense layering provides excellent thermal insulation and predictable fire performance. The balanced two-way span capabilities ensure strength across both axes, allowing for diverse design possibilities. Thickness options are available in 1 in increments, ranging from 2 to 12 in, giving engineers and architects flexibility to meet project requirements. Mass ply is produced using smaller diameter logs, maximizing wood recovery and minimizing waste. The manufacturing process requires less energy due to the thin veneer layers, and the product naturally stores carbon throughout its life, contributing to reduced greenhouse gas emissions. Perfect for floors, roofs, walls, beams, columns, staircases, and elevator shafts. Massly offers both structural strength and environmental benefits, making it a quite good choice for contemporary construction projects. IMMERSSO Music glamping designed by Italian architects Fabio Vinolo and Francesca NATURI is a 65 cu-foot minimalist cabin made from prefabricated birch plywood panels and plexiglass. Its standout design includes transparent roof and wall sections, offering clear views of the alpine landscape and starry night skies. Measuring approximately 6.5 x 10 feet, the cabin can be assembled in just 2 hours by a team of 4 people without the need for electric tools or specialized skills. Despite its small size, it can comfortably accommodate up to 4 people and serves as both a sleeping space and a lounge area. Inside the cabin features a double bed and simple furnishings allowing guests to focus on their connection to the surrounding natural environment. Music curtains provide privacy when needed. However, the cabin does not include heating or insulation, so visitors are encouraged to bring appropriate clothing and bedding to stay comfortable, especially during colder seasons. Located in the alpine village of USO in Italy's Piedmont region, IMMERSSO Glamping offers a peaceful retreat where guests can disconnect from the busyness of daily life and fully embrace nature. Its prefabricated design allows for quick installation and minimizes environmental impact, making it an eco-conscious lodging option. Currently available for rent on Airbnb, the cabin offers a one-of-a-kind experience in the Italian Alps, where visitors can enjoy breathtaking views and a serene atmosphere. With its unique structure and tranquil location, IMMERSSO Glamping provides an opportunity to slow down, relax, and immerse oneself in the beauty of the surrounding landscape. It is an ideal getaway for those seeking simplicity, natural wonder, and an escape from modern distractions. Music ARCA is a woodworking workshop founded in 2009 by Stephen Lepra. Located in Marly-la-Vallée, France, the 6,458 cu-foot facility is equipped with advanced tools, including computer numerical control machines, a 3-dimensional printer, varnishing booths, and equipment for metal, composite, and plastic work. Its design studio.stl creates innovative materials and techniques such as airwood, a veneered panel with reversible patterns controlled pneumatically, and WOO, an elastic wood that molds around objects. Other materials include BIOHOME, which integrates metals into wood, music, and seed degree wood, a thermoformable material allowing complex curves. ARCA's designs span industries, including the cartier vitrine, which uses wood to create geometric shapes for an exclusive timepiece display. The Morphos concept car interior, featuring wood panels that adapt to user interaction, and Kellywood handbags for Hermes using boiler. Additional projects include Melt, a wooden wall with marble-like details measuring 59 in x 59 in x 1 in, Music and Traits, a console with flexible walnut bands and recycled plastic shelves. Lumino is a 6 in x 7 in lamp that adjusts light intensity through a rotational mechanism. Marsupio, a 90 in desk made with WOO, has compartments music for various objects. ARCA's work also features Vapawood for steam-printed patterns and scoop wood, a method of coating wood with molten metals. These methods paired with traditional and digital expertise enable ARCA to develop furniture, interior elements, and functional art for industries such as automotive, architecture, and luxury design. Consistently exploring new possibilities with material innovation. Music BIOHOME 3D is a pioneering 3D printed house made entirely from bio-based recyclable materials. Developed by the University of Maine's Advanced Structures and Composite Center, this 600 feet home features floors, walls, and a roof made from wood fibers and bioresins. It uses 100% wood insulation with customizable R values for effective energy performance. The 3D printing process significantly reduces construction waste through precise manufacturing, while the modular design allows for on-site assembly in less than a day. Electrical systems can be connected in just 2 hours, minimizing labor needs. Each 600 music foot unit sequesters approximately 46 tons of carbon dioxide over its life cycle, offering a sustainable alternative to traditional building methods. During its first year of testing, the house endured Maine's challenging climate with temperatures ranging from 1 degree C to 105 degrees Fahrenheit, as well as strong winds and heavy snow. Sensors installed in the structure monitor its thermal, structural, and environmental performance, confirming its ability to meet high standards for strength and efficiency. BIOHOME 3D was created using the world's largest polymer 3D printer. Its production process utilizes renewable, locally sourced materials, reducing dependence on conventional supply chains. To scale its impact, the ASC is ramping up production at the Green Engineering and Materials (GM) factory of the future, which can produce one house every 48 hours. Future plans include developing entire neighborhoods of bio-based 3D printed houses to help address the housing crisis, reduce carbon emissions, and support local industries. WOODCRETE, also called wood wool cement board or cement bonded wood fiber, is an eco-friendly material made from wood particles or fibers such as sawdust or shavings combined with cement as a binder. The formulation typically includes Portland music cement, wood chips, sodium silicate, and other chemical additives. First developed in the 1930s, it remains widely used in construction due to its beneficial properties. Weighing about 31 pounds per cubic foot, WOODCRETE is approximately half the weight of brick, making it easier to handle during construction. It offers excellent thermal insulation, which helps regulate indoor temperatures efficiently. Its porous structure music simplifies plastering and the material is highly effective in soundproofing applications, making it a good choice for acoustic needs. WOODCRETE also resists weathering, fire, and pests music, adding to its longevity. Additionally, it incorporates renewable wood resources, contributing to its eco-conscious profile. Common applications include wall panels, roof and floor slabs, soundproofing materials, and insulating concrete forms. It is also used in landscaping features like planters and retaining walls. Despite some permeability to strong winds, its thermal insulation properties, resistance to environmental factors, and ease of installation ensure its ongoing use in both commercial and residential building projects. By combining the benefits of wood and cement, WOODCRETE delivers music strength, sound absorption, and energy efficiency. Its environmentally sustainable music design makes it well suited for modern construction practices. Focused on reducing music ecological impact, this material exemplifies a balance between resource efficiency and effective performance in a range of construction settings. The LAVERTY company can build your dream home. They work in two areas: creating traditional log homes and modern framed structures. The owner has years of experience as a former vice president of the International Loggiers Association. LAVERTY combines skilled craftsmanship with modern tools and methods when needed. LAVERTY log homes and timber frames uses sustainably sourced timber to preserve the natural beauty of each tree while creating energy-efficient homes. The company has been building structures across Canada since 2005. LAVE's team of skilled artisans constructs high-quality log homes and timber frames using traditional techniques, ensuring lasting, unique buildings. The Scandinavian log homes are designed to endure for generations, leaving a lasting legacy. Each project showcases exceptional craftsmanship and attention to detail. In Soel Beach, LAVE's latest log home offers lakeside living. This peaceful retreat, crafted with care, combines rustic charm with the warmth of wood, creating the perfect setting for lifelong memories. Music explore a sophisticated version of Lego with this connector. It turns pieces into easily connectable components, allowing you to create furniture like tables, chairs, and more. PlayWood connectors provide an easy way to assemble modular furniture and storage units without screws or extra tools. Use the connectors to join panels in various configurations and tighten them with an included Allen wrench. These connectors come in 3 angles, 90, 105, and 150 degrees, and are available in different colors for design flexibility. Since they require no extra tools or hardware, you can disassemble and reconfigure your creations as your music needs change. Made in Italy by Space Matters, PlayWood connectors are crafted from glass fiber reinforced plastic, making them strong and resistant to humidity and UV rays. This makes them suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Applications include workshop or garage storage, kitchen and bedroom furniture, outdoor furniture, classrooms, music dorm rooms, apartments, small offices, and trade shows. PlayWood connectors work with panels 16 mm to 19 mm wide, made from materials like plywood and laminate-coated MDF. A set includes 4 white 90 degrees connectors and 1 Allen wrench. The standard version can handle up to 120 kilograms and is flame resistant. Sets of 24 pieces are available for purchase at a reasonable price. To make a secure connection, insert the sphex components into the grooves and gently tap them with a hammer. No glue, screws, bolts, or complex parts are needed. This method is effective for attaching roof, ceiling, and wall elements. It was notably used in the construction of the Bauhaus Archive in Berlin and the Hustler office building in Norway. SFIX offers timber connection solution that is efficient, sustainable, and easy to use. It enables wood-to-wood connections without the need for metal, making it durable and eco-friendly. Assembly time is reduced by over 50% as connectors can be hammered in quickly without additional music tools. Thanks to their conically split dovetail design, using SFIX can save up to 30% of material for window and door cutouts in wall construction. It is versatile, suitable for various applications including cross-laminated timber ceilings, ribbed and box ceilings, timber concrete composite ceilings, and wall elements. The system is particularly useful for connecting beams, posts, and wall reinforcements made of different timber materials. SFIX is ideal for constructing long and high wall elements with large openings using standard timber formats with minimal waste. It can be used both in production facilities and on construction sites, offering flexibility and efficiency. Atwood began as a small woodworking shop and has now gained international attention for its acoustic wood panels. Reviews praise these panels for music, adding a soft, cozy feel to any room. The panels are also effective at absorbing sound with a 30 mm thick music panel, reportedly reducing over 60% of sound in the 200 to 800 Hz range, which improves speech clarity. Their decorative wood panels are highly favored by architects, music and designers, offering a plethora of patterns, colors, and wood types to suit any style. These panels add warmth and charm to spaces, music providing endless inspiration. The Edge collection features intricate geometric patterns, adding depth with three-dimensional forms. Available in equilateral triangles, rhombus, and squares, these panels allow for creative compositions in both modern and classic interiors. For symmetrical design lovers, the Edge collection offers diamond-shaped panels alongside its asymmetrical music counterparts. Meanwhile, the Smooth series boasts organic shapes, promoting a calm and welcoming atmosphere. With its gentle curves and variety of colors, it complements classic decor and natural settings beautifully. The Smooth panels music with their smooth surfaces and lack of sharp edges are particularly suited for bedrooms or relaxation areas. They include models like Caro Plus, Caro Minus, and Arch, offering versatility in arrangement and visual effects. In 2019, a remarkable structure called the Tower by Lake M was completed in Norway. Standing 85.4 m tall with 18 stories, it is the tallest wooden building in the world. It is made using cross-laminated timber and the only non-timber parts are the concrete slabs on the top floors. It showcases how tall buildings can be constructed using local resources and sustainable wooden materials. Mulvin Limtra, located 17 kilometers from MJOSTARNET, played a key role in the tower's construction by producing and installing glelam columns, beams, and diagonals for the primary load-bearing system with a floor area of approximately 11,300 MJOSTARNET includes a hotel, apartments, offices, a restaurant, and common areas. Additionally, there is a 4,700 square meter swimming hall in a first floor extension, also constructed from wood. Wood is a preferred building material due to its environmental benefits, low carbon footprint, and renewability. It also offers structural strength, durability, and a healthy indoor climate. Wood can regulate humidity and temperature while providing good acoustic and insulating properties, creating a harmonious environment. Music. Let's discuss a classic in construction, fasteners. Surprisingly, even this field sees new products regularly. For example, Fast Fix fasteners undergo lab testing to minimize the risk of cracking when being screwed in. The Fast Fix secures the tops of internal walls to the bottom cord of roof trusses, providing lateral stability. It features a knurled shank for firm attachment to the top plate, allowing vertical movement in the truss without transferring the load to the wall. This product is music intended for internal use only. It is faster, safer, and more precise than traditional music methods. Reduces the need for working at heights since it can be installed from below the roof trusses. Music designed to prevent overdrive. Simple, just one-piece installation process. Music to install, just position the guide against the truss bottom cord. Insert the ID's music into the guide slot. Drive the IDs using a 5mm hex socket until stable. Remove the guide and fully drive music the screw. The screw should protrude approximately 10mm for visual inspection. Install the IWS at every second truss or up to a maximum spacing of 1800mm. A reciprocal roof is a self-supporting structure made of beams or rafters arranged in a circular spiral or polygonal pattern where each beam rests on and supports the next. This interconnected design removes the need for a central column or additional supports, relying on the principle of reciprocity. Each beam supports the others, distributing weight evenly across the structure. The design is both strong and resource efficient, requiring fewer materials than traditional roofs. It can be constructed using timber, steel, or bamboo, making it adaptable to different architectural needs. The beams are laid in sequence with the first supporting the last, forming a continuous loop that creates a stable and geometric star-like or spiral shape. The roof's design allows it to span large spaces without intermediate supports, making it an excellent solution for open interiors. Weight is distributed along the perimeter of the room, removing the need for central pillars. Its simple yet effective structure makes it an ideal choice for eco-houses, gazios, yurts, pavilions, and artistic architectural projects. The radial beam arrangement not only serves a functional purpose, but also creates an appealing geometric pattern. The construction process involves careful sequencing of the beams which interlock and support each other. This method has roots in ancient architectural music practices but has found renewed popularity in modern sustainable design due to its efficiency and visual impact. The roof's strength and stability music can be tested by creating a simple scale model using matches or similar materials. Though installing roofing material requires precision and effort, the final result is a unique and resource-efficient structure. Music. The Pitzel post support provides height adjustability from 5.66 to 8.1 in and is designed for securing wooden columns and connecting them to concrete. It features an upper plate measuring 3.9 x 0.24 in and a lower plate measuring 6.3 x 3.9 x 0.24 in, connected via an M24 threaded system with 2.6 in of adjustment. It has mounting holes of 0.51 in diameter on the lower plate and 0.4747 in on the upper plate. The post support is compatible with wooden supports with a minimum dimension of 4.7 x 4.7 in C24 grade and complies with EDA 10413 standards. The system achieves a compressive capacity of 15,417 pounds, tension capacity of 1,664 music lb, and horizontal load capacities of 494 pounds and 270 pounds along the respective axis of the base plate. Installation requires 4 fully threaded wood screws 0.39 x 4.7 music in for connection to the wood and 4 dowels or concrete screws 0.47 in diameter for the base. Its lock nuts ensure stability during operation. The rifled dowel has a diameter of 1.18 in and a length of 15.7 inches. The bolt measures 0.98 x 3.9 in with threading of 0.79 music in. The installation height ranges between 21.3 and 23.6 inches. Music adherence to DIN EN 1995 standards and EDA guidelines ensures